Here we go. Look, welcome to example 5 for the power property of exponents. So here we have negative exponents and we have a quotient. So we're going to have to apply a couple different rules. But first, always apply your power product. So I'm going to take -3 to everything in the parentheses. And my advice is to do your negative power rules last. Okay, so here's how I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to have v to the -3, w to the 6, and I'm going to put everything back in parentheses. So I'm going to have 2 to the -8, or sorry, 2 to the -3, u to the -3, v to the -9, over w to the +3. Alright, now I can go look and see what I can multiply here. So I've got v to the -9 and v to the -3. I can multiply that, and then w is just going to slide on top. So this is going to simplify out to 2 to the -3, u to the -3, v -3 plus -9 is -6. Excuse me, -3 plus -9 is -12. Don't write -6, it's -12. And then w at the end. All over w to the 3rd power. Now I've got a quotient rule, so I can apply that real quick. 1 minus 3 is -2. So this will give me 2 to the -3, u to the -3, v to the -12, and w to the -2, because 1 minus 3 is -2. Now I can apply my negative exponent rule. This needs to become 1 over 2 to the negative cubed is 8, u cubed, v cubed, w squared. I know it's a mess, but if you wait to the very end to perform your negative exponents, you will be much happier. So apply your power rule, multiply them out, and we'll be golden. Except this was w to the 6. So this was w to the 6, and this does not go down here. 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is going to be w to the 6. My apologies, gang. W to the 6 at the top. Nope, I lied. W to the 3 at the top. I'm crazy. Okay, let's look at one more problem. I'll keep this one straight. It says simplify this whole mess. So we're going to take and apply our negative power first. -3 times -1, -3 times 3, 3 to the -3rd power, and w -3, w to the 3rd power. So we're going to have u w cubed, then u, -1 times -3 is +3, v 3 times -3 is -9, 3 to the -3rd power, and then w to the -9. Now I can rewrite this and multiply all this stuff in. U to the 1 times u to the 3rd gives me u to the 4th, v to the -9 over w to the 3rd power. I'm going to save the 3 to the -3 for last real quick. Have w to the -9 here. 3 minus -9 gives me w to the 12, so I'm actually going to have u for v to the -9, w 12 over 3 to the -3. Alright, so now I've got my negative powers. I can switch those around. The 3 to the -3 is going to pop up top because I can't have negative exponents. So if they're in the negative exponents in the denominator, it goes up to the numerator, and then the v to the negative 9 switches. So we'll have 3 to the negative 3 power is actually 27, u to the 4th, w to the 12th, all over v to the 9th. Okay, go ahead and try the second part on your own, and we'll check it out. Good luck.